to Brooks and Shorey Resorts on beautiful Okaloosa Island. I'm your host, Zoe, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to our Smart Host device. First, let me tell you a bit about us at Brooks and Shorey. We have been providing exceptional vacation experiences for years, and we're dedicated to making your stay as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. Now, let's talk about the convenience of your rental property. You'll find a smart device in your unit ready to assist you at all times. You can ask it questions like, Alexa, what's the Wi-Fi password? Or, Alexa, what's the weather like today? It's like having a personal concierge right at your fingertips. When it's time to check out, you can do it right through the device. Just say, Alexa, check me out. It's that simple, saving you time for those last-minute beach strolls or souvenir shopping. And don't forget, if you have any questions or encounter any issues during your stay, you can contact us directly through this device. Just say, Alexa, call my host. We're here to help you 24/7 to ensure that your stay is perfect. We understand that privacy is essential. If you ever feel like you want a break from the device, you can simply mute it. Your comfort and privacy are our top priorities. So relax, unwind, and enjoy your time at Brooks and Shorey Resorts. We're here to make your vacation unforgettable. If you have any more questions or need assistance, feel free to ask. Welcome and enjoy your stay.